This platform gives you access to multiple AI models for chat, images, and videos, all from one place. Let me show you how to use it. Here you can see a list of different chat AI models. Some of them have standard safety filters, while others are less restricted, giving users more flexibility depending on their needs. All you have to do is select the model you want, type your prompt, and start chatting. Next, let's look at the AI image generation models. To generate images, I'll switch to image-only mode. Once you open the model selector, you can see there are multiple image generation models available, including models with standard filters and others that are less restricted. To generate an image, select any image model, enter your prompt, and choose the aspect ratio for the image. Then simply click Generate, and the AI will create an image based on your prompt. If you want, you can also edit or enhance the generated image using the built-in image editing tools. Additionally, you can also generate uncensored AI images as well. If you want to explore more uncensored AI image tools, you can also check out my previous videos where I cover additional platforms. Now let's move on to the AI video generation models. This platform also includes several AI video tools. To create a video, select a video AI model, enter your prompt, and click Generate. After a few minutes, the AI will generate the video based on your prompt. Once the video is ready, you can download the video, extend the clip, and edit the video directly on the platform. Not only that, you can also generate videos using unrestricted AI video models. To do this, simply select an unrestricted video model, enter your prompt, and click the Generate button. If you already know this website, comment New. If you want to know the website name, comment AI.